Hey yogis, hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know that my brand new October yoga calendar and challenge is now available for download. So as you most likely know by now, every month I put together these 30 or 31 day practices and calendars and challenges which we all participate in together. And these are all themed differently. So for example, month of September was called September Splits. So all the classes had to do with like hip and hamstring flexibility, obviously with the goal of getting people into the splits. October, I've called the calendar Everything in 30 because every single yoga class within this 31-day challenge is going to be around 30 minutes long. So a lot of the feedback that I got from previous calendars was that a lot of the classes I was including in those calendars were 45 or 60 minutes long. And while a lot of you really love longer practices, for a lot of you, doing an hour of yoga every single day is not realistic, and many of you were requesting more shorter length classes. So October calendar and challenge should be perfect for you if you don't have that much time every single day to do longer classes. This is going to be a mix of yin, vinyasa, and a few hatha yoga classes. So we are equally working on strength, flexibility, as well as stress relief. This challenge is open to all levels of experiences, so it shouldn't be too advanced, no problem for people who are a little bit newer into their practice. And because we are mixing Vinyasa and Hatha and Yin Yoga, you'll be able to work on different kinds of poses, different kinds of transitions, and different kinds of themes as well. I wanted to put together a calendar and challenge that was really balanced. So this is meant to improve your physical health, but also your emotional and mental health. There's no denying that getting on your yoga mat every single day is something that you can do to practice self-care, and it really can help to elevate your practice, especially if you've been feeling a little bit stuck or in a rut. Following along to a program that's been curated by a yoga teacher, me, is one of those ways where you can kind of get out of your own way and mix things up and try videos and classes of mine that you maybe have never tried before. So really wonderful if you're just feeling all around a little bit bored with your practice. And I know for myself, it's happened from time to time where I feel completely uninspired and I feel like my practice is a little bit in a rut. I end up doing the same kind of flows, same kind of practices at home. And one of the best ways that I can get myself out of those ruts is by signing up for a challenge, following someone else's program, just so that I don't have any excuses really not to try something new and to get on my mat. So when you sign up for these challenges, you get access to all 31 yoga classes. You'll get a private YouTube playlist that has all of the videos that we're going to do together. But I'm also giving you access to all 31 yoga classes, which you can download and keep forever. So once you download those classes, that means that you don't need an internet connection to watch them. You don't have to rely on YouTube. You can if you want to, it's there as an option. But if you are traveling or if you don't have that great of an internet connection, you can download the classes and then watch them without internet and also without ads. So it just gives you a little bit more flexibility that way. You're also going to get a PDF calendar. So this calendar, you can print it off and kind of check mark whenever you do the classes, or you can just keep it on your computer or your mobile phone and you can click the PDF calendar. So clicking on the individual days will send you directly to that class that we are doing on that specific day. My favorite part about these challenges is you guys. It's really fun to be able to keep up with you in this way and to share and see your progress. A lot of the members, when you sign up, you get access to my private students Facebook group on Facebook, obviously. And this is usually where most of us kind of check in with each other and post progress and updates as we do the classes together. It's a lot of fun and it's really been a cool way for me to get to know you guys a little bit better. And I also get a lot of inspiration from you because even for myself as a teacher, sometimes I notice that things get a little stale. I get bored of myself almost and the way that I teach. So it's really nice to be able to interact with you guys on a daily basis and get some feedback on what you think of my classes and ideas of other classes and challenges that you would like me to put together in the future. So of course, because this is an October yoga challenge, we are going to begin on October 1st. If you are watching this video and we're either past October or before, don't worry, the challenges are available for life. So you don't need to start necessarily on October 1st. As soon as you download the calendar and sign up for the challenge, you get all of the content yours to access immediately. So you don't need to wait if it's before October 1st. And if it's after October 1st, don't worry, it's still there. So even all of my previous and past calendars and challenges since February of this year, February 2018, are all still available. So if everything in 30 doesn't really sound like a challenge you would like to do, but you're still in the mindset that you would like to dedicate this month and practice yoga every day for 30 days, I have a ton of other challenges that you can check out and maybe ones that would be most suitable for you. If you have any questions about this calendar and challenge, please leave me a comment down below. I would be happy to help you out. And I really hope that you're going to join us for the month of October. I think fall is a great time to get back into a regular, consistent yoga practice. And by following along a curated program, you won't have to spend too much time at your computer just kind of scrolling and browsing and trying to figure out what class you're going to do that day. And if you're the kind of person who, like me, tends to do the same class over and over and over again, this will get you a little bit out of your comfort zone and get you to try different things that maybe you wouldn't have picked for yourself before. And that I found is one of the best ways that we can improve and evolve our practice, is by stepping out of our comfort zones and moving in a way that isn't necessarily intuitive or that we're just not necessarily used to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join us for the October Everything in 30 Yoga Challenge. The link to sign up is down below in the description box, and the link to all of my previous calendars and challenges are also down below. Thanks so much. We begin October 1st, and I look forward to practicing again with you soon.